guys, so here it is. With no further ado, y'all remember them jeans that I bleached up last night, and I put them in the bleach, and I put the rubber bands on it. So these is the tie-dye jeans that I did. So y'all remember up here I didn't put no rubber bands on it. I just threw it down in the bleach, guys. I just threw it down in the bleach. So guys, if you guys want to make these tie-dye jeans, you guys go right ahead. And for those of you that have been following me for a long time, I remember y'all, I know y'all seen me make this shirt. I made this peplum denim top a while back, and it went perfect with these jeans. So guys, yes, take it and put the rubber bands. Whoop. Let's see, Gina. Take it and put the rubber bands on them, guys, and that's going to give it this effect. So, guys, y'all take some old blue jeans y'all had and twist, 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 rubber band. But this is the finishing result on those denim jeans, guys, that I did. I think they look 110% better. It was ugly at first. I didn't even wear them. So now I can wear them with this top, guys. Gino want to say hello. Gino, wear your denim jacket. Mama got to find it, boo-boo. Say thank you, guys, for watching. And stay safe, guys. Tell the people, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, and say, I can't catch it. Do you guys know dogs can't catch it? But I still have to sanitize his paws when he go outside, guys. So you guys have an awesome day and be safe from the virus. Okay, guys, if you guys missed the video, go back and look at that Clorox bleach bottle and that denim. So, guys, that was how you make tie-dye. Take rubber bands, some Clorox bleach, dilute it with water, let it soak, let it sit, and you will get this result, guys. This is how I make all my denim tie-dyes, using bleach. And sometimes Clorox can cut up your clothes, guys. Do not leave it sitting too long, because it will eat it up. More water, less bleach, guys. And a lot of times I like to use an off-brand bleach versus Clorox, because sometimes some fabric cannot take Clorox bleach, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.